Today is all about sleepovers.
Ooh.
Because, you know, with you living in Albany and me living in Savannah, it always involves a sleepover. So I thought I'd fix us a berry parfait. Well, the first thing we're going to have to do then is toast us some coconut.
Is the oven on?
Yeah, that one back there. And just for a couple of minutes, Susan.
All righty.
On this, and you know.
Put some green in it for Easter and have some Easter grass.
Yes, we could if it was Easter.
You got it.
And I tell you what, I know your grandchildren call you Bubbles, but you are, without a doubt, the best grandmother.
No.
Yes, you are.
No.
Yes, you are.
You're pretty good too, Guinea.
All right, so
what we're gonna
all
do?
we're gonna do is we're gonna measure out a cup of granola. I'm gonna slice these strawberries.
We got a little glass we're gonna put this in?
Right over there. You can grab the glasses.
And where's our yogurt?
Look in the fridge down there. Look in the refrigerator drawer.
You mean you did not get,
No, the drawer right here.
Well, we have so many drawers in this kitchen.
I know.
Okay.
These strawberries are gorgeous, Susan.
Ooh, those are pretty. Now, I told you about those strawberry preserves in your freezer.
Yes.
Yum.
Yes. Susan brought me a plastic container of the strawberry preserves. It's just strawberries, pectin, and sugar. I mean, it's just super, super easy. You know what? We ought to whip those up. How long are we talking for those strawberry preserves?
No time.
Okay, I tell you what. We'll put them on the back stove, and we will serve them with the scones.
Good idea.
Okay? Okay. Start layering.
Well, I gotta wait for the coconut to get out of here too, so, all right.
Oh, yeah, we do have to, but you can start with that.
With just a little dew. We're gonna put some blueberries in here.
Yes.
Healthy, healthy, healthy.
I don't want to do it, though, until it's time.
Well, just a few.
Okey-doke.
Good, not too many. That'll be good.
I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle. I'm gonna drizzle a little honey. And that's gonna give it that little bit of sweetness. All right, we better check that coconut.
Okay. Okie dokie.
That's great.
Did you measure this?
Kinda. I measured it in my hand.
I was gonna say, I'm not a measurer. Somebody will say, give me a recipe, and I'll say it's dump, 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 and dump. Well, how much? Well, I don't know, until it looks like paste.
Yes. Start going in with our yogurt.
Is this vanilla yogurt?
Yes, it's plain vanilla.
Plain vanilla.
Susan, how long have we known each other?
Well, we knew each other in Albany,
Yeah.
but then when...
But we weren't friends.
No.
I had to move out of town for us
Yeah?
to become friends.
Okay, let's see. 88? You had only been down here like a year.
Lord
Excuse
have
me?
mercy, Susan.
And we met on River Street that day. Paula and I have been friends for quite a long time. We struck up a conversation, and every time I came back to visit, I either stayed with her, cooked with her, been through the bag lady with her, the whole 9 yards.
Well, Susan and I became fast and furious friends. If she is your friend, there is nothing in this world she wouldn't do for you. Nothing. She will move heaven and earth for you.
Who I would have thought 10 years ago, 20 years ago, we'd be standing here doing this.
I know. I know. Susan, I have to tell you, you really hadn't aged a bit, Susan.
Oh, I just had a big birthday.
Well, hadn't we all?
Ooh. I thought it was gonna hurt, but it didn't really hurt that bad.
Well, I'll tell you, Susan takes care of herself, and she can tell you about Eva's skin treatment out there.
Don't you know that powder and paint will make you what you ain't?
Now, I love the shininess of this beautiful,
Honey.
beautiful gold on top of it. I mean, that is beautiful, isn't it? Susan, this is delicious.
Is fabulous.
Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.